angels, hello my best friends on the entire planet. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new. So in today's video I've just done this affordable drugstore everyday kind of glam makeup look. So if you would like to see how I created this look today, then please keep on watching. And also if you are new to my channel and this is the first time you've seen my face, hello, my name's Tara and I do makeup tutorials, makeup looks, I do creative looks. If that tickles your fancy and you want to stick around and become part of the family, then hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell and you're in. You just get to see my face twice a week, which is on a Monday and a Friday. So if that sounds like fun and you want to join the family, then please hit that subscribe button. It's not that hard. We've just hit 430 subscribers, so hello and welcome to you all. Welcome to the family. If you'd like to see how I created this look today, then please keep on watching and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Stay beautiful and stay safe as always, and I love you all. Pop the headband on for starters. Hair's all up, which means we're in for business today. So I put on like a fake tanner last night, but I don't know if you can actually tell. It's one of those gradual tanners, you know, that Dove stuff, which is like a gradual tan. So I've already moisturised my face. So let's jump straight in. I just get those days where I just feel all over the place. It's because I'm out of routine. I'm off work all this week, so I'm filming in batches. I've just filmed a video using the James Charles palette and I think the pinks stained my eyes a little bit. So if my eyes look a little bit red, that's why. Because thanks to Sir James Charles, your palette's amazing, but the pinks do stain, but it fades after a little while, so it's not a major issue. My brows, and to prep my eyelids for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. I haven't actually used this because I bought this at the same time as I bought my P. Louise base. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on. Done the trick. It's like covered all of my veins and everything on my eyelids, so it seems to have done its little job, what it's meant to do, but I am going to just set that down with a bit of powder. Get my Fit Me powder and a little brush, and I'm just going to pat that on and set that base. For shadow today, I'm going to be using my Lottie London shadow. I've never actually used this shadow eyeshadow yet. So this is the Rusts one. So we're going for a little bit of a bronzed eyeshadow look today. Oops, see you later with the brush that I'm never going to use. So I'm going to use this shade here and it's called Tilly. All the names of the shades are on the back of the palette, which is quite useful. And I'm just going to put that straight into the crease. And it probably won't come up on camera because it's basically the same shade as my skin tone. So the next shade I'm going into is this shade and it's called Nicole, and it's just that little bit darker. And I'm just going backwards and forwards and doing little circular motions just to blend that into the crease. And they're blending really well. They're not chalky, they're not patchy, so it's really nice little eyeshadow palette. The shade I'm going to go into is this little lilac shade and it's called Emma. Put that into the outer and bring it in a little bit. Go into this deeper plum which is called Jenny. And really blurring that out into the outer corner. Ooh, that's really pretty. So using the Cut Crease Canvas, flat brush, I'm just going to pick a bit of that product up and I'm going to do a small cut crease. Use a big fluffy brush and with no product on, and I'm just going to blend those shades just so they're a bit more blown out and soft. Just taking a baby wipe, I'm just going to clean any fallout that's gone under the eye and just sharpen it up a little bit. So I'm now going to be taking the Maybelline Colour Tattoo eyeshadow, and this is in Eternal Gold, and I'm just going to pop that all over where I put the concealer, and I'm just going to use my ring finger to do that. I don't actually have any Drugstore lashes today, so I'm just going to be doing the all natural eyelash. I want to use this little pot from Primark, but is Primark actually a drugstore or not? I'm just going to use it anyway, guys, because I'm in love with it. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of face glue. This is the Glitter Junkie from Primark as well, and I'm just going to pop that just a little bit onto the lid. It doesn't actually say what shade it is, but it's like a nice little brownie gold shimmer, just to give it a little bit of a definition. So for primer today, I'm using the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Pore Primer, Superdrug. So I'm just gonna run that through, and it's really nice. It's like a silicone based primer. So for foundation, I'm using the e.l.f. foundation. This is the oil-free sunscreen of SPF of 15. And I've got mine in the shade Light Ivory.
My beauty blend is right over there, so
I've got my dampened beauty sponge, which is Real Techniques, and I'm just going to blend this all in together.
This is rather like me.
So I'm going to add some of the Rimmel Match Perfection in the shade Classic Beige.
I've never actually mixed those two foundations together before, and they seem really nice and work well together. Thank goodness. That kind of own.
So for concealer, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in 320, which is Porcelain. And I'm going to use a tiny bit of this because a little bit of this goes a long way. It is a very full coverage, this concealer, guys, and I've put way too much on before, and it's been a nightmare just to blend it out. So to set it all in place, I'm going to be using my Fit Me pressed powder, and this is in a medium warm. And I'm just going to use my BH Cosmetics powder brush. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline City Bronzer. Since I bought this, guys, I am absolutely obsessed with it. I've got mine in medium warm 250 and I love it. I absolutely love this bronzer. Blush, also been loving the Rimmel Maxi blush, and this one is in Exposed and it's so pretty. So sorry about that, guys, my camera literally just died. I've just had to change the battery. So I'm using the SOPH collaboration with Revolution on the highlight, and I'm using this gold shade.
Gorgeous! Sorry if I'm a little bit off in this video, guys. I really don't know what's wrong with me at the moment. I'm just feeling a bit in the funk. So I do apologise for that.
In place, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Fixing Mist.
Absolutely love that stuff.
Mascara, I'm going to use the Maybelline Big Colossal Mascara. So So I'm going to be using the Rimmel Lasting Finish Lip Liner, and this one is in Red Dynamite. And this is the only red lipstick that I actually like that's in my collection, guys. And this is a matte lipstick, and it's from Primark, and it's in the shade Siren. So this is the final look, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, give it a big thumbs up, helps your girl out a lot. Also, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below for future video ideas. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Love you all. See you soon. Bye.